Hi guys, Mike at Citte RV. Today I'm going to go over a little bit of product knowledge on one of, if not the best built RV in the industry, outdoors. So right off the bat, one thing that makes outdoors special compared to anybody else is they use full automotive suspension. So there are 4 shocks on this unit with an adjustable shackle, Goodyear rated tires. What that does is, compared to a normal trailer, when you have suspension that flexes, it's less box tilt. So when you're towing this, 2 things happen. One, by not having the box tilt, it moves the vehicle less side to side. Then also when you hit bumps, it reverberates less into the truck. So you don't feel this trailer as much. Ask any outdoor RV owner, they will tell you that this trailer tows better than anything else in the industry. This is a true 4-season unit as well. Part of how they accomplish that is on the underbelly here, you've probably heard enclosed, fully sealed underbelly. These guys take it a big step further. Yes, it does have an enclosed underbelly, but as far as the 4-season goes, what makes it different is anything that has water in it, whether it's a pipe, whether it's a dump valve, if water is sitting in there, all of those are also built up into the underbelly. So your dump valves above the underbelly, the opening of those in the underbelly. And what they do is they stack it with insulation. They put 12-volt heat pads on the tanks. They wrap them in a thermal blanket, and then all of your furnace air will blow into that underbelly too. On all of Outdoors RV as well, they have full custom frames. It's not an outsourced Chinese Lippert frame. It is fully produced, made, created in Oregon. So different frame than everybody else as well. I'll show you the inside. Right off of the bat, you can see how different this trailer is compared to everybody else in the industry. They want this unit to look like a cabin, okay? So you have real wood cabinetry. These are built by carpenters in the manufacturing plant. This isn't fake press board, actual real hardwood. You've got solid surface countertops, a large farmhouse style sink with a sprayer. You can actually fit a big pot or pan in here. Roller shades. That way you don't have those crappy accordion shades. Nobody likes those anymore. So nice full blackout roller shades. All of your hardware in this unit, so your handles, your sliders, any of the hardware is all full residential rated, meaning you can use it long term, you can use it full time, and it's not going to wear out as fast. Stovetop, oven, things that you've seen before. Outdoors did go to a 12-volt fridge. And this unit does have 400 watts of solar already on it. On the 12-volt fridge, what's awesome about these, one, it's going to not use propane. 2, it'll cool down way faster than a traditional 3-way fridge. Within 2 to 3 hours, you're going to have ice in your freezer. No more having to wait 24 hours to prep your unit. One of the coolest things, though, on an outdoors, and part of it being true full 4-season, is going to be the wall construction. What makes this different is this is the actual wall of an outdoors RV. This is a repurposed cutout in the windows. What you have is a full 2-inch piece of block foam here, and then it's double Luan. What they do is they take this block foam, they spray heated glue on it, they put the outside, the inside together, they roll it through a press. When it cools down, it's a full bonded wall. So there's no air that gets in between it. There's no water that gets in between it. Block foam is going to be more insulated as well. So full 2-inch block foam walls, not just on the coach itself, but also your slide box is full 4 seasons. Some people will say, hey, my slide out is colder than the rest of the trailer. It's not the case on an outdoors RV. All of your furniture has real leather on it. Not fake vinyl, not fake pleather. You don't have to worry about it wearing out over time. These guys also use the widest dinette in the industry. Now I'm 6'2", 6'3", 220, so I'm a bigger guy. When I get into this dinette, the table isn't pushing into my stomach. My knees aren't hitting the post here. So widest in the industry on a 4-person east to west. And what that means is you can actually sit a full family here and have some space and have some elbow room. And also you get more space if you're going to make this into a bed as well, not just having to sleep a kid here. On this particular model, it is more of a 2-person couples coach. So you still have dinette that you can sleep somebody in, but queen bed in the front. It's an open floor plan, so a little bit shorter, a little bit lighter. And this is on a Black Friday special as well. So if you have any questions on that, contact us at Citte RV.